Hello friends, welcome back to Pungudi's channel. Today we will learn a new stitch called diamond stitch. You can see diamonds in this stitch. You can use this stitch especially for your borders. I'll show you how to put this diamond stitch in these two lines. Insert the needle at one point. Pull over. I am using only 3 strands for this. Pick some fabric on the other line. Put the thread above the needle and then below the needle and pull over. You will get a knot here, and now we shall insert the needle in the stitch, thread above the needle and then below the needle and pull over. You will get a knot on the other end also. Now insert the needle at the same point and bring it out on the next point like this. Now insert the needle in one thread here, thread above the needle and then below the needle like this, and if you pull it you will get a knot in the center of the two lines. And now pick some fabric on the other line straight to this stitch. Again thread above the needle and then below the needle like this and pull over. You will get a knot on the other side. Now insert the needle in this stitch, thread above the needle and then below the needle like this and pull over. You will get a knot on the other side. Come to the next point and once again we will make a knot in the center. Now we have got one diamond shape in this stitch. See here, and again pick some fabric straight to this stitch on the other line. Thread above the needle and then below the needle. Pull over. You will get a knot here. Now insert the needle in this stitch, thread above the needle and then below and pull over. You will again get a knot here. Now come to the next point. And put a knot in the center. Thread above the needle and then below the needle and just pull over. Now we have finished 2 diamonds. See here. In this same method we will put continuous diamonds. This looks very pretty. I have posted many stitches so far and I have given all the links in the description. Please go to the links and learn the other embroidering stitches. I hope you are clear about this diamond stitch now. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. And if you like this video, click the like button and share with your friends. So continuously we can put this diamond stitch in your borders, and you can include some flowers and leaves in between. You can also hold with your left hand to make the knots correctly. And now I have finished the diamond stitch for this full length, and this is the back view of the stitch. If you have not subscribed for Poongudi's channel so far, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon nearby so that you will get notifications for my future videos. Thank you for watching.